Hey there guys, it's Liv here from Neighbourhood. Are you looking for more ways to improve your SEO efforts? This is where creating a blog and optimizing it to help drive traffic to your website comes in handy, and we're going to show you how to do that today. As a heads up, you'll need Marketing Hub to use this feature. If you're keen on some more practical support inside HubSpot, Neighbourhood offer a comprehensive, easy to follow course so you're making the most out of your HubSpot investment. Stay tuned for more information at the end of this video. If you want to take your learning offline, we'll include a free downloadable PDF in the description bar below, so check it out. Okay guys, here we are inside HubSpot. I'm going to go up to website and then down to blog. And in here, we're going to click on this test blog that I created earlier on. You'll be able to see that this is a blog that I've written a while ago, and the aim of the game in here is to show you how the SEO Optimise tab works, as well as some other tricks that I've learned over the last couple years of doing blogs for Neighbourhood's SEO and improving our website position. So you'll see that if I click on the content itself, there's a new tab up the top that came out probably in the last year called the Optimise tab. Down this side, it will give you real-time specific SEO recommendations covering the content itself, the mobile friendliness of the content, the meta description, the title, the header, and links. So as you go in and create your blog, I would definitely recommend you go down to this Optimize tab and ensure that you have the green tick across all of these different options down here. Another way to ensure that your blog is SEO optimized is to ensure that you have CTAs inside your blog itself. You want your CTAs to be going to the same place, but two different options for ways that people can link out of your blog and go to the next stage content in their buyer's journey, whether it's a guide, a how-to document, to a webinar, anything you like. So in this example, you can see that we have a text style CTA at the very top or above the fold, so that people don't have to scroll too far to be able to get to that next stage content. But we also have a link to the same CTA down the very bottom, but a little bit bigger. So once people have had time to digest your article, they can then move on to that next stage. This also just ensures, obviously, that people are staying on your website for longer. And if you're increasing the amount of time that people stay on your website, you're reducing your bounce rate and therefore improving your SEO. And there you have it. You now know how to search engine optimize your blog inside of HubSpot. If you're wanting to make the most out of your HubSpot investment, as I said earlier on, Neighbourhood offer a step-by-step course covering marketing, sales, service, and the CMS hub in depth, ensuring that you and your team are best serving your customers while developing efficient internal processes. We'll include a link for this down below. As well, if you're after a PDF version of this for later, or you're passing it on to a mate in need, we'll include a link in the description. If you gained any value from this video or are keen to learn more about HubSpot, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. But for now, happy HubSpotting.